nothing good in here!
Hey. Hey, don't open that.
Who's there? I have a gun, just not with me at the moment. Damn straight.
I hope you're not planning on eating another bag of chips again.
Who is that? Are you a ghost?
No, I'm the narrator for this story. Yeah, you aren't eating those chips.
What? Why?
'Cause I'm going to show you how to create your own culinary masterpieces without having to spend God knows what at 7-Eleven. I mean, look at yourself. You're starting to let yourself go.
Well,
No excuses. Now, are you down to cook your own lunch for the first time?
Sure, why not?
Great. The first thing to do before we start any form of cooking is to first obtain a recipe. Do you know what you want to make? Do you know how to make anything? Not even a salad?
Got it.
Let me see it.
How do I...
Great. So the first thing we need is tell you what, I'll give you a recipe.
I'm gonna be making crab cakes.
Yeah. What, you have something against crab cakes?
Well, yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it.
Good. Then it's settled. You're going to make crab cakes, and you're gonna like it. The first thing to do is to get a mixing bowl, along with a mixing spoon and some gloves. Now, mix all the ingredients together in a mixing bowl.
Everything?
Yes, everything.
Okay.
Not bad. Now you just need the crab, the breadcrumbs, and the egg.
So yeah, I couldn't find any cracker crumbs, Ritz. So I decided to go with Cheez-Its instead. And since we're out of crab meat, I thought I could find like a different type of meat. So I thought deli cooked ham would be alright.
Well, it's your funeral. Sure, why not?
Yeah.
After mixing your ingredients, heat the oven to high. Be careful of where your hands are, as you may burn yourself or set something on fire.
Touch.
After putting the crab cake on the pan, remember to flip it. Using a spatula, check to see if the cake is properly cooked, and if you follow me correctly, you should have something gourmet that is worth $1 million. You should... Well, it's not bad for your first try.
I'm the best.
Yes, you are. Hopefully, this experience has helped you to understand that anyone can cook something great, whether it's a salad or even crab cakes.
Delicious.